Welcome to Green Industrial Supply, where innovation meets excellence. We are a procurement service provider for all types of manufacturing companies around the globe, and we are ready to meet your needs. Lower your overhead costs, streamline your resources, and better serve your customers by partnering with Green Industrial Supply. We specialize in part sourcing, kitting, assembly, packaging, quality control, and warehousing services in a certified clean and climate-controlled environment.
Founded in 1998 by Pat and Mary Sue Green, Green Industrial Supply Incorporated is a certified women-owned and ISO-certified company headquartered in Dubuque, Iowa. Centrally located and supporting customers throughout the United States and internationally, we are proud to maintain a family-oriented environment with experienced and friendly customer service, assuring that you have what you need on time.
Our experienced staff will find the parts you need to match your specifications with over 500 domestic and international manufacturing partners, including hardware, foam, rubber components, fittings, straps, bushings, and more. Reduce your labor and handling costs by sourcing your assembly projects to Green Industrial Supply. Clean and environmentally controlled in our 210,000 square foot warehouse, we offer exceptional kitting, assembling, and packaging services tailored to your needs with outstanding quality control and cleanliness.
Here at Green Industrial Supply, we can receive bulk components, provide material inspection for enhanced quality, and package your product into bags, containers, or boxes and distribute the finished product to your desired location so it's shelf ready for your customers, all from a partner you can trust. As packaging experts, we can help select the most efficient method and packaging material for your project. We can efficiently process your orders with equipment such as our hose cutting machines and our auto baggers. Our software can help make custom barcodes to assist with your inventory control needs.
Green Industrial Supply Quality Lab will assure you that you're getting the right parts. We have resources and tools to reverse engineer those hard to find parts. With our ferro arm, optical comparator, hardness testing, gravimetric testing, gauges, and equipment, you'll be rest assured that you're always receiving the quality parts that you desire. Contact us today and experience how Green Industrial Supply is dedicated to putting the pieces together for you and your success.